Alright, so you have it, you're gonna brush in a circular motion, alright? So go to the back, Alright, what's going on YouTube? Today I have a different video for you guys, and it's about how to get your teeth naturally white. Let's get into it. So this is a compliment I get maybe 4 or 5 times a week, guys, from strangers, people that I know, whatever. And what's funny, I haven't been to the dentist in maybe like 14 years. What? There's no word of a lie. I drink coffee every day. I drink wine every weekend. So how are my teeth so white? And there's one simple product that I use every day, maybe twice a day, you know, for maybe 20 years now. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys, it's simple. You could go get it right now. So you guys probably think it has to be whitening strips, right? Wrong. This right here, Arm & Hammer, baking soda based, emphasis on that, baking soda, okay? Based toothpaste. I'm gonna tell you guys why. This right here is life-changing. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna give you guys a little backstory. I was born in Nigeria. I came to Canada when I was about 5 years old, and from maybe 1 to 5, we used to brush our teeth with baking soda. Everybody in Africa brushes their teeth with baking soda. And it makes you wonder, when you see videos of people back home or whatever, they have better teeth than people here, right? So the reason why we used to use baking soda is very effective in neutralizing stains. Baking soda neutralizes acid. It takes away stains. So why did we as a society move away from that to all these chemically based ingredients? Have you guys ever noticed less is more? What I mean by less is more, girls always compliment guys on having such nice skin. Maybe it's because we just splash our face with water and we use whatever soap we have, and that's it. We don't have all these 10 serums that we put on our faces, etc., etc. Also, eyelashes. Girls always say guys have such nice eyelashes. Maybe it's because we barely touch it. So in Canada and in North America, everybody uses Colgate, whatever is on the market. And if you really, really look at it, it's really chemically based. And I feel like that really doesn't help your teeth. Baking soda removes the stains. Like, we use baking soda on our clothes for hundreds of years now. Very simple. So I think that's why it's so efficient. So I'm going to tell you guys a little secret that every single toothpaste has on its label. You can tell if it's natural medicine, if it's all chemical, if it's all whatever. You could go check your toothpaste right now, and I promise you it's going to have it. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to show you guys. Okay? And yeah, it's this right here. You guys see this little blue indicator? Go check your toothpaste right now and see what color this is. Okay? Blue means it's natural plus it's medicine, I think. There's 4 different colors. There's red, black, I think green, and blue. Okay, so check your toothpaste right now and see what color this is, okay? I'm gonna put up a chart so you guys could identify the different colors. But yeah, go check that, okay? But yeah, I know this video might be dumb to some people, but honestly, guys, like I said, I haven't been to the dentist in 12, 14 years. I drink wine, I drink coffee, I drink whatever, and my teeth are naturally still white. So take that for what it is. It could be genetics for sure, but my whole family uses this toothpaste. They have the same, I won't say issues, but it's literally like a blessing, you know? White teeth, perfect teeth, no cavities ever, no nothing. We use it twice, mornings and nights. But yeah, as rudimentary as it sounds, baking soda does the job. I know you guys don't want to hear it, and I know the taste, when you guys initially, if you guys go out and buy it, it's going to be weird because it's so like, it doesn't have that chemical taste. It's literally natural baking soda, you feel me? So it might be kind of weird to get adjusted to, but I'm telling you guys, it does the job, okay? I haven't been to the dentist, like I said, in maybe 12, 14 years, and the last time I went, he said my teeth were perfect, which is, you know, take that for what it is. But yeah, I've never had no cavities in my life. My teeth are good, straight. And I know this might be kind of dumb, but I have my toothbrush. I'm gonna show you guys how I brush my teeth, alright? So you have it, you're gonna brush in a circular motion, alright? So go to the back, to the right, and this part is important because I feel like people don't get the back of the teeth. So I put my toothbrush like this. I do it vertically, okay? Instead of doing horizontal, vertically on the molars. You do it upwards too. Boom, bap. That's it. I promise, bro. Use that for a month or two. Brush like that twice a day, in the morning, at night. I promise. Come back to this video. I promise. I'm gonna do you guys right, alright? But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was kind of informative for you guys. Make sure you guys go check the labels of your toothpaste, alright? It's important. Use that natural stuff, guys. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you subscribe to the video. And yeah, that's it.